So here we have this MOOMSHINE large power tool organizer. Now let's take this out of the box and put it together. Looks like it's pretty nicely wrapped in a whole bunch of these foam pouches. We got some nuts and bolts to put it together, some pegboard hooks, and then some drywall anchors and screws. Here's the instructions. Looks pretty simple. All right, it's all finished, and that went together pretty easily. Couple things I want to note is make sure when you're putting this together that these holes are just like this. If not, it's not going to sit right when you screw it into the wall. And the second thing is that to make these hooks sit in here right, I had to put this bracket on the bottom and add these two washers. But now they sit in there just fine. Now let me go mount this on a wall and test it out. So here we got the shelf all put together and mounted to the wall. But if you're going to put that much weight on it, I would definitely make sure that you have it mounted to studs. Anyway, this shelf has a lot of room to hold basically whatever you want. I just put some screws on here, some more screws, and then I got some glue up there. Over here is a great spot for hammers. And then on the other side, I'm not really a fan of these pegboard hooks. I think it's just lazy, but they work all right for just hooking whatever on there, like scissors. And then here is the drill storage. You can see it holds them pretty well. You are going to have to take the bit out because if you don't, it won't fit. And this is the large one, so there's 7 spots for drills. And I'm not quite sure why you'd have that many drills. So to fill up the extra space, you can just use some clamps. And honestly, it makes a really nice clamp rack. Then you could also use it for some tape, which it works all right for that. Now, I've bought a few of these racks before, and I've got to say, this is probably my favorite. Other than this side over here, everything on this is great. It's really sturdy, so you can put a lot of weight on there, and it's not going to bend out of shape like some other ones I've had. The metal is all pretty solid, and it's super sturdy, so you can put a lot of weight on there without having to worry about it bending or anything. So if you're looking for a gift for someone who works in their shop, or you just want a really nice and sturdy tool rack, then this is perfect.